Hi, good morning everyone. This is Jagdish, Assistant Professor of EC Department, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. And today, in our microwave, optical and microwave devices playlist, we are going to discuss about the topic T-junction. This T-junction is one of a microwave passive device. So already in the previous sessions, we have discussed so much of, what is microwave passive devices and few passive devices we discussed. So as like the previous sessions, we are going to discuss about the T junction. It is one of a microwave passive device. Come, let's get into the topic. So, what is actually a T junction? That is, microwave passive devices are used inside microwave measurements, and they are used to combine instruments to create more complex measurements. For example, power divider, that is called T junctions, then directional coupler and magic T, alternator and resonator. So T-junction is a intersection of three waveguides in the form of English alphabet T. There are several types of T-junctions. In a microwave circuit, a waveguide or a coaxial line with three independent ports is commonly referred to as a T-junction. So here we can see it is a T-junction where, as mentioned here, there are three several intersections are there. See, in this is one port and this is another port, and here you can look at the top view. We can see another one port. So this forms a T-shape one junction that is called a T-junction. And there are they are used to connect branch, that is a branch or section of the waveguides in a serial or a series or parallel with the main waveguide transmission line, providing means of splitting and also of combining power in waveguide systems. The two basic types are E-plane T, that is series, and H-plane T, that is shunt. So T-junction, which has two classifications: E-plane T, which is called as a series, and another one is a H-plane T, that is called shunt. So let's have some classroom activity. So here, this is nothing but of on a rebus puzzle. As we discussed in the previous class, we have formed a group of students, team 1, team 2, team 3. So you find out the answer, you discuss with your team members and find out the appropriate answer for the given rebus puzzle, which is displayed in this slide. And let's continue. So that is E-plane T, that is series T. An E-plane T is a waveguide T in which the axis of its side arm is parallel to the E field of the main guide. So port 1 and 2 are the collinear arms, and port 3 is the E arm, that's a side arm. A rectangular slot is cut along the border dimension of a long waveguide, and a side arm is attached. So when the waves are fed into the side arm, that's a port 3, the waves appearing at port 1 and port 2 of the collinear arm will be in opposite phase in the same magnitude. That is, S13 is nothing but of which is equal to minus S23. So in general, the power out port 3, that's a side or E arm, is proportional to the difference between the instantaneous powers entering from port 1 and port 2. So what is difference arm? That is, if two input waves are fed into port 1 and port 2 of the collinear amp, the wave at the port will be opposite in the phase and subtractive. So this is called a difference arm. So you can see the difference sum if the two waves are fed into port 1 and port 2 of the collinearium, the output port or the port will be opposite in the phase and subtractive. Sometimes this port is called difference arm. So here for this case, the scattering matrix will be S equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2 root 2 1 minus 1 by root 2 is 0. This is the scattering matrix for the E-plane T. And let's take up the assessment. First the question is, what is T-junction? Second question, what is E-plane T? List the advantages of T-junction. Draw E-plane T And the next question is write the S matrix for T junction. Thank you.